Hey guys, how to download LDPlayer on PC? Want to run Android apps and games on your PC? LDPlayer is one of the best emulators out there, but many people get stuck during installation. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to download and install LDPlayer on your PC safely and quickly. Stay tuned. Now open web browser in your PC and search LDPlayer, press enter, and then click the first link website, and click your platform. I click the Windows. After that, LDPlayer downloading will start. Please wait. And then downloading is completed to click the show folder. And this is the LDPlayer setup. Double click this and click the install, and that's of LDPlayer installation will stated. Please wait. And then installation is completed, and go to the desktop and open the LDPlayer. And that's it. You've successfully installed LDPlayer on your PC and can now run all your favorite Android apps and games. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment for more tech guides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.